An entire town is gone, the town of Paradise. And AT&T, whenever there's been a disaster, you're the first ones on the scene.
Well, what we're doing right now is we're clearing all the old lines, everything that was burned out, old poles, cables, fiber, wrecking it all out, clearing it, and then we're going to come back and build everything new again.
And you don't wait till everything's cleaned up. You were on the scene immediately. So at least there could be some communication available to the citizens. And they also have the hope. When your trucks pour in, they say, hey, we're rebuilding. We've got people here helping us. That gives them the most important thing they can have. That's hope.